Hello, Kim here, Bluebird Legacy. Thanks for stopping by, clicking on this channel. Hey, I want to show you something in this box. I'm going to do an unboxing here. And I won at Nicholas Wilton's Art2Life artist party. And I'm going to open up this box. It's never been opened. I was out of town when it arrived. And so we are going to open it up right here, right now, on this video. It's two colors that I won. It was a YouTube thing he did. And I was just on there and commented, and I was very blessed and won. So I thought it'd be kind of fun to pop into this and see. He has the Creative Visionary program, which is going on right now. One day I hope to do that. Take that. I think it's like a 12-week course. So look, okay, all the peanuts. Oh wow, these are. And the first, well, they're packaged together. So nice. Oh, I knew it was two paints. Let's get into this. Okay, get rid of this. Nice big size paints too. Wow, thank you. Thank you, Nicholas Wilton. I guess this is his own paint that he formulates his own colors. When I get this open, I'll tell you the names of these colors. You can order it too. Of course, I won this. So this is called Moroccan Aqua, number 14. And these are acrylic colors. Maybe some of you out there have tried them. Hey, if you have, leave me a comment and let me know if you've tried Nicholas Wilton's Art2Life acrylic paint. I cannot wait to get started with this. And then this one, I think, this one is named after his daughter. It's called Lila White, if I remember correctly from that painting session. Yep, it's called Lila's White. So he's definitely go with my color palette that I like to use. And so thank you again. And I just want to come on real quick and share this with y'all. I hope you're having a fantastic spring day. And yeah, come back. And now you know, Nicholas Wilton's Art2Life company. He has Moroccan, this is number 14, Moroccan Aqua, and Lila's White. It's a beautiful, rich white, but not too bright. So, see you soon. Thanks for stopping.